AI can leak sensitive data. Here is how cybersecurity prevents it. Most companies think their data leak happens because of hackers, but the real exposure today is happening inside the organization through AI tools employees use every day. Hey, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of Matrixplex. In our work across cybersecurity, cloud systems, and enterprise AI adoption, one pattern has become very clear. Companies are adopting AI faster than they are securing it. And that gap is where the real risk starts. Over the last 15 plus years of working with digital systems and enterprise infrastructure, one thing has stayed consistent. Technology doesn't usually fail businesses, usage patterns do. Right now, AI is being used for writing reports, analyzing data, handling client communication, and even processing internal information. But very few organizations have clearly defined what should and should not go into these systems. And this is where things start to shift from opportunity to exposure if usage isn't clearly structured. When convenience becomes the first risk. As AI tools become deeply embedded into day-to-day workflows, they are no longer just experimental tools. They have become productivity drivers across teams. The challenge is that the speed and convenience often bypass structured thinking around data safety. And that's where risk quietly enters the system. Internal documents get pasted for a quick summaries. Client information is used for a faster responses. Financial and operational details are shared unintentionally. Teams assumes the system forget what they enter. But in many cases, businesses lose visibility over what that data travels next. The missing layer isn't technology, it's control. When we look deeper into most AI related risk cases inside organization, the issue is rarely lack of tools. It's the absence of a structured boundaries around how those tools should be used across departments. Because of that, AI adoption often grows faster than governance. No classification of what data is safe for AI tools. No internal approval flow for sensitive inputs, no monitoring of AI usage patterns, no clear separation between public and internal data. So, AI adoption moves forward but governance stays behind. Why cybersecurity is now part of AI strategy? As businesses start realizing that data exposure can happen through everyday usage rather than external attacks alone, cybersecurity is no longer just a protective layer, it becomes part of how AI itself is designed and deployed. The goal shifts from restricting AI to enabling it safely. Encryption ensures data remains protected even in processing. Access layer ensures only authorized users handle sensitive inputs. Logging systems help track how AI is being used internally. Secure environments prevent uncontrolled external exposure. So, AI doesn't become a risk, it becomes controlled capability. Why companies are moving towards private AI environments? Once organizations start taking a data control seriously, the conversation naturally moves toward where AI should actually operate inside shared public system or within controlled private environment. And that is where enterprise thinking is shifting. Business data does not leave internal systems. AI models can be aligned with company policies. Security rules can be customized per organization. Compliance becomes easier to manage at scale. It's not about avoiding public AI, it's about balancing it with secure systems. The human factor nobody talks about. Even with the strong systems in place, most risk still comes from behavior, not technology. The reality is, employees rarely think in terms of data classification during daily work. They think in terms of output, speed, and efficiency. That's where most exposure happens. Copy paste habit without security awareness, over reliance on AI for sensitive tasks, lack of training on safe usage practices, no clarity on what should stay internal. So, awareness becomes just as important as infrastructure. Building a safer AI environment A secure AI ecosystem is not built through a single tool or policy. It is built through a layered system where governance, security, and access control work together consistently. Clear AI usage policies inside the organization, strong cybersecurity architecture underneath AI systems, controlled access based on rules and sensitivity, continuous monitoring of data flow and usage. When these layers work together, AI becomes scalable without becoming risky. AI itself is not the problem. The real challenge is making sure it is deployed inside a system that understands control, responsibility, and risk management. And the organizations that solve this early will not just adopt AI faster, they will adopt it far more safely and effectively. So, here is a question worth thinking about. Is your organization currently using AI with defined security boundaries, or is it still evolving without structured control? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if your business is exploring AI adoption, cybersecurity frameworks, or secure cloud infrastructure, connect with the team at Mattress Bricks to understand how AI system can be structured with the right governance and security foundation. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more business and digital growth insights. I'll see you in the next video.